In this video, we'll be looking at how to create a transformational legal offer or solution. Creating a transformational legal offer simply means creating a legal solution that takes care of a certain pain or makes a desired outcome a reality. It is not one of legal services or bundles of unrelated legal services, but a solution that takes care of a certain aspect of your ideal client's life, right? This is a legal solution you can charge premium for. For instance, a business lawyer serves any business owner in the business law area. This business lawyer sells one of legal services like business registration, IP protection, contracts, and the likes, right? When you show up like this, you tend to compete with TXC consultants, IP experts who aren't lawyers, and other lawyers in your practice area who compete for low paying clients. But if you decide to show up as a business lawyer for early stage founders, that is, you help founders who are about to launch their startup launch on a solid foundation, on a solid legal foundation. You position yourself to charge more, to earn more. Here, instead of serving the entire business law space, you are serving just a segment of that space. This enables you to create a legal solution for them and position yourself as a go-to lawyer in that space. Instead of one-off legal services, sit down and think of all an early stage founder needs to launch legally. This means you're looking at things like business registration, IP protection, contracts and agreements, website and app policies, legal advisory, and the likes. As an early stage startup lawyer, all these legal services make a desired outcome possible. It makes that desired legal outcome of launching legally possible. It solves a big pain point for an early stage founder and it helps them launch their startup on the right legal foundation. You are offering them a full option instead of band aid legal services, instead of touch and go one off legal services. I've put together a checklist to help you create a legal solution, a legal offer for your ideal client, irrespective of the practice area. In this example, we'll be using the early stage founder example. First, identify the client you're showing up for, right? In this instance, you're showing up for the early stage founder, not just any kind of founder, not founders who are already running a startup or founders looking to exit. No, you're looking at people who are about to start, who are about to launch a startup, right? Number two, identify the desired outcome or the pain points they seek to solve. Flowing from our example, our early stage startup founder is looking to launch his startup on a solid legal foundation. They want the right legal structure in place before the launch. Number three, outline the legal services or legal process needed to make this desired outcome a reality or to make this pain point go away. As an early stage startup founder lawyer, ask yourself what legal services or legal process do I take my clients through to make their dream of launching a solid legal foundation possible? You are looking at legal services like business registration, IP audits and protection. You're looking at contracts and agreements, looking at websites and app policies and the rest, right? I need all of these services to help them launch on a right legal foundation. Disclaimer, your legal services or your legal process may not look like the example I am giving. You're a professional here, so outline legal services that you offer your clients to help make their dream a reality, irrespective of your practice area. Number four, highlight your framework or process. It's not enough to say, I make a desired outcome a reality. You must show them the process you take them through to make that desired outcome a reality. Clients who pay premium pay for what they understand. They don't pay for things they cannot picture in their head. So it's your job to show them how you make that desired outcome a reality. So this is a simple framework. Process might look a lot different than this, and that is okay. Important thing is you've outlined legal services that help your ideal clients make the desired outcome a reality or that takes their pain points or their challenges away. Back to our example, a business lawyer for early stage founders process may look like this: initial consultation, business registration, IP audits and protection, contracts and agreements, relevant contracts and agreements, website policies, which and legal advisory. Each of these segments may come with legal master classes, short courses, or short videos that helps them make decisions. Basically, for instance, you could record after your initial consultation, when you get to business registration stage, instead of getting a call with them again, doing that again and again for every client that comes in, what you could do is you sit down and you come up and you record the video that guides them on how to pick the right structure for their business. Is it a business name, or is it a limited company, or is it a partnership, right? Just record a video that shows them how to pick the right structure for their business, how to come up with shareholding, who to appoint as directors and shareholders and the likes. IP audit and protection. IP audit and protection. Your short video and masterclass could be centered on IP they need to protect and the likes, right? For contracts and agreements, your short video could be centered on relevant contracts and agreements they need to run a successful startup. The same applies to website policies and the likes. Legal advisory here is not a one-off legal advisory because you're sending them high tickets. So you have to be in contact with them to know what they want at every stage and keep them updated at every stage of the journey. Basically, this gives your ideal client or your early stage founder clients a clear picture of what to expect when they work with you. With your legal solution or offer in place and your framework carefully highlighted, you position your practice to attract clients who know what they want and you'll be able to charge them premium for it, right? But if you say you serve early stage founders and you're offering them band aid legal services, that is one of legal services, you place a ceiling on how much you can ask them to pay you. Number five, price your legal offer. How much do you want to be paid for the legal solution you provide? Your price point will help you filter your clients. So before you price your offer, take into consideration regulatory fees and how much you would like to earn from it, amongst others. I can't tell you how much to charge. I've only provided a guideline to help you know how much to price your legal services. Number six, your promise statement. Who are you showing up for and how do you help them? This should be displayed on your bio. Let people see it clearly. Let them know that this is what you do and this is who you are showing up for. If you've done your ideal client analysis, this should be a walk in the park for you. Your promise statements could be something like this: I help early stage founders launch legally protected startups, or I help early stage founders launch startup on the right legal foundation, or I help first time homeowners buy their first properties, or I help first time homeowners buy scam free real estate, or I help high income earners invest in scam free real estate. Pick an audience, create a legal solution for them, and talk about it consistently online.